Shelby Financials Online was introduced at this year's International Shelby Conference in Dallas, Texas. Today, we'll be meeting with several Shelby experts to discuss SFO and to explain what it can do for the financial side of your ministry. Mark, you made the initial announcement about Shelby Financials Online at ISC this year. Why don't you explain to us real briefly what SFO is and which modules are available right now?
We are very excited to announce and to release the latest application that Shelby's created, which is an answer to our clients that wanted to have a cloud experience and have their data out in the cloud. So our first phase, which is out now, includes general ledger. It also includes accounts payable, payroll, and bank account management, which includes some of the features of Check Express. In the upcoming months, we will release fixed assets, purchase order, and also accounts receivable.
Alfred, thanks for taking the time to talk to us today.
My pleasure.
Can you explain to us the sales model for Shelby Financials Online and maybe some of the interactions that you've had with the SFO team over the past couple of years?
Working with the team has been just fantastic. We had lots of people here at Shelby that was involved in the team, but also existing customers and others outside who provided lots of input, and it's been a real pleasure. And as a result, we have a great product now. Sales model is pretty simple. We have actually two. At first, our first launch, it's going to be a hosted monthly subscription based, in the industry known as a SaaS model. People can pick the modules that they really want to have included in their product. In coming months, we'll also have one that is locally installable, but also works in a cloud type environment as well.
Matthew, how you doing, buddy?
Good, thanks for having me.
All right. Matthew, you've been working with our SFO team over the past couple of years to help expedite the product. Can you tell us some of the processes that you've been through to get Shelby Financials Online out to the marketplace?
What we're using is Agile SCRUM, which allows for a lot of flexibility and feedback and allows us to do our work in 2-week increments. So it helps us to create a product that gets a lot of input from all throughout the company and not just a narrow viewpoint. ICE is a guiding principle. We use it to develop our online product. Basically ask 3 questions. Is it intuitive? Is it clean? And is it easy? Intuitive just says, does the user know what to do by looking at the product? And clean just means less is more. We want to make this as simple and as user-friendly as possible. And then easy, the least number of keystrokes and least number of clicks that our user has to make makes the product as easy as possible for them, and that's our goal.
Ron and Bill, welcome. Ron, from the training perspective, what has been your main goal for the new Shelby Financials Online product?
Don, for those people who work in church and organizational offices doing accounting work, they just want several things. They want good tools that make them efficient and proficient. And they also want to be able to follow generally accepted accounting principles. That's what we call GAAP compliant. Shelby Financials Online does that. It does that with current technology. It provides them all of the steps in accounting that are auditable, and the end result gives them the reports they need to run their organization and their church. To do it all in a context of a secure cloud environment that is really reliable and dependable, and in the end easy to use, and we want to train people to that end.
Bill, Shelby Financials Online is so intuitive. My question for you is, are SFO customers going to need any training at all?
You know, Don, while we've worked hard to make the user experience more intuitive and more efficient, there will always be a need for training. As has always been our approach, we will offer several training plans to help those who move into this software to have an efficient and smooth transition. For some who are already strong users of Shelby V5, we'll have a concentrated series of online training sessions that will help them move into that session, and that'll be adequate for those folks. But for many, this will be a wonderful opportunity for them to reimagine, to rethink about what they're doing with their financials and take advantage of the many powerful and new and innovative things that we've added to this new software. And so what we hope to do is have consultants come alongside your team to cast a vision so that your financials track along with the mission of your ministry. We're very excited about the possibilities that lie ahead.
Steve and Edward join us now from the support department. Steve, are Shelby Financial Online customers going to be able to talk to a live person for help? And what other means of support are available?
Absolutely, Don. Even though it is a cloud-based application, they're still going to have the same types of service that they've been used to. So we'll be available via toll-free phone call, and give us a call. We've got support text ready for that. They can contact us through email, contact us through the live online chat system. You can also go out and join the community where there's an online knowledge base. Customers can interact with each other through the online forums. There's a resource center out there that will have help videos and online documentation as well. Our support team has been trained, and we are here and ready to help.
Edward, can you give us an example of a concept that you helped to introduce that was suggested by current V5 customers?
We all sat down and discussed ways we could improve the V5 product, and one of the first things that came to my mind is a situation that all of our customers find themselves in from time to time. You're working in accounts payable, invoice processing, entering 20, 30, maybe even 50 invoices, and then you realize you have the wrong bank account selected at the home base. In Shelby Financials Online, we've added a new button, Change Bank Account. So now you can select the invoices you need to change, click the button, it'll move it to any bank account that you wish. This is just one of many enhancements that we've added to Shelby Financials Online based on customer feedback. I'm sure you'll find many Easter eggs as you look through the modules.
Now we are in the programming department with Jeff. And Jeff, I know that Shelby Financials Online is a team project, but can you tell us from your perspective how long you've been working on it, what's been your main focus, and how it will benefit the Shelby customers?
We've been working on it for a couple of years now. We've really been working hard on it the last year or so to get it out in the marketplace. Our main focus has kind of been twofold. It's been stability to make sure financials are correct, and the user interface to make it easier to use for the customer. Well, this product is very unique in that it was designed for ministries and is fully accessible from anywhere.
Frank, you are the president and CEO of Shelby Systems, but I know you still have a passion for programming, and you were a huge part of the development and design of Shelby Financials Online. So, do you have any final thoughts for us today?
As our mission statement says, Shelby Systems exists to supply the software and services needed to help ministries and organizations around the world thrive. And Shelby Financials Online is another endeavor towards fulfilling that mission. We hope that you will be as excited about this new browser-based product as we are, and that it will enhance your ministry efforts. Be looking for the announcement of additional modules in the coming months.
This is an exciting day for Shelby Systems. Shelby Financials Online is available now. If you'd like to learn more about it, just visit the website or call the phone number that you see there on the screen. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.